Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I'm in the authentic village of Balsicas, which is a beautiful, authentic and quiet village located in the region of Murcia. This particular development that I'm going to be showing you today is offering homes on a single story level for a steal of a price. They are currently in phase 3 at the moment, and these particular properties are villas that offer 226 square meters for the plot. The home itself is 96 square meters, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I couldn't help but show you this one, so let's begin the tour. So as you come in through the pedestrian entrance into the home, the grounds of the property actually surround the property. Here you can see where you would access quite easily your front door, but I'm actually going to take you around the outdoor spaces so that you can actually see what is included within the plot. And so what you have is minimal maintenance terraces that surround the home. Right here in this spot where I am would be the entry point for your vehicle. So you could imagine opening those vehicle gates that are automatic, driving on through, and here would be the parking space. What's great is that you also get to see that the patio doors from the interior actually also lead out onto the patio terraces. And so as we're going all the way round, I'm going to take you all this way to the paths that lead to the outdoor spaces for entertaining, for relaxing, and for lounging with the family. So what is great about it is the fact that it is a single level story home. And so on this side, you will find that it gives you a rectangular swimming pool, which is 10 by 3. The swimming pool is designed in such a way that you have your steps leading gently down, and then you also have a deeper end on one side. For the comfort of the swimmers, you also have an outdoor shower. And then on this side of the terrace, you also have a sun lounging space. What I like about the architectural design of the actual exterior is that they've incorporated the same colours as they have on the inside. So the black, the white and the grey. But this is great because anyone can marry up any type of colour palette with these type of colours. And so now I'm going to take you back around to where we will access the front door. And so as we come back around this way, and this is the front door to enter the home. As I come in through the front door, I am met with a warm, light, bright and very modern and inviting entry space. It leads directly to what is an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The living room, dining room and kitchen altogether are 32 square metres, and the ceiling height throughout the home is maintained as 2.65 metres. As you can see, this is a great space if you're wanting to not only live in the heart of the home, but also entertain as well. Right here in this particular spot would be your lounge space. As you can see, it comfortably facilitates a large sofa, and you also have cortizo patio doors throughout the home that offer you access to the terraces. In this instance, it leads directly to the swimming pool. Over the way, you will find as well that you have a large table here that is currently set to dine for. And then you also have a space that is dedicated to your kitchen on one side. I do like the fact that they have included all of your countertops as well as your storage cabinetry and your appliances on the one side, where you have your counters, space and your cabinetry above and below. Great specifications in terms of the fact they go all the way up to the ceiling. And then within your actual specifications, you have your refrigerator and your freezer. You also have along this back wall, outside of your cabinetry, the dishwasher, your kitchen sink, your cooking hob with your extractor above and your oven below. All of the kitchen appliances that are included are belay as standard. Within this actual space as well, you also have access to other specifications. Near the front door is your video intercom. You also have hot and cold air conditioning, electric shutters and LED lighting. What I really like is the fact that the natural sunlight that enters this room really bounces off the walls and really gives it a great sense of space and illumination on the inside. So now I'm going to take you to the very first bedroom. This is the first and the largest bedroom that we have in this particular model. It offers 15 square meters. On one side, you have there your patio doors that lead directly to your terrace and also to your swimming pool. And on the other side, you also have your built-in wardrobes. Within this actual bedroom space as well, there is access that takes you directly to an ensuite bathroom. Here, they decided to go for a warm, brighter palette, but it's very relaxing and also very inviting. And with all the bathrooms in this living space, you will find that they are fully equipped. Coming out of the first bedroom, I'm now going to take you along the hall. And you will then also find that it leads to the main bathroom. The main bathroom is again a similar type of feel with the warm tones that they have gone for and is also fully equipped. Within this hallway space though, you also have access to 2 bedrooms. And so I'm going to take you into the second bedroom now. And what I really like about the bedroom spaces is they all feel light, bright and spacious. This particular bedroom is again 13 square meters. You have your built-in wardrobes on one side, giving you storage. Then you also get your patio doors that give you direct access out to the patio. As we now come back into the hall, I'm now going to show you the third bedroom. This bedroom has a similar feel again. It is 12 square meters. On one side, you again have your built-in wardrobes, and on the other side, you have your patio doors that give you access to the terrace. This is Balsicas Mar Menor train station, a beautiful train station that was actually opened on the 1st of February 1863. This has been the mid-journey train station for this particular area, connecting this village to Cartagena and Murcia daily. What's lovely about it is that in recent years it's been taken over by the Renfe train company and also enables people to have links as far as to Madrid and Barcelona. And so if you're wanting the connectivity to other parts of the country, even in a place called Balsicas, you can find just that. But I do love train stations, and this one is not without its charm. Shall we go inside? So as I go inside, it's got the original roof, and it's even got photos and pictures showing the history and the evolution of the actual train station and connectivity of transport in this particular region. It shows you pictures and diagrams not only of the trains, but also of the railway system that actually functions between here and the rest of Murcia. Taking you up the stairs to a space that you can also call your own. You get an additional extra 91 square meters of solarium to enjoy all throughout the year. This particular solarium features an outdoor summer kitchen and also plenty of space if you're wanting to turn it into an entertaining space, dining, lounging, jacuzzi, everything you could possibly think of and more. What's really nice is you get a real sense of the peace and the serenity that we're surrounded by. You get to see some very old historical monuments really close by, but then you also get to enjoy the expanse and the peace of the location of where we are. The nitty-gritty. The property tax or EB is approximately €400 per year. There is no community fee and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a fantastic single-storey modern family home. What I really like about this property is it offers spacious bedrooms, living spaces for the interior and the exterior. With the specifications as well, what's wonderful is that a lot of things are already included, like the summer kitchen, for example, in the solarium. These are all things that you don't have to worry about upon moving in. And I also really love the price point. I think it makes it super affordable and also really accessible for all of those that would like to live in a nice modern home in the sun. What I love about Balsicas as an actual village is it's considered to be a pedania, which is not just a village but also a parish, with its own church and regular religious events that go on throughout the calendar of the year. It is actually within the municipality of Torre Pacheco, but this particular location gives you an immense amount of access to other wonderful places of interest. Not too far away, within easy reach, as it does provide transportation, right here from the village, you can also visit Mar Menor, which is a more favourite touristic hotspot of the region. But don't be fooled, Balsicas even has its own train station, which was built back in 1862 and even still provides transport to local villages and also other towns and cities like Cartagena and Murcia. It also enables you connectivity to the cities beyond, like Barcelona and Madrid. What I really like about this is it gives you an authentic feel in a Spanish town that is moving but is peaceful, with natural landscapes, rolling hills, agricultural fields, and groves of fruits and vegetables. But you do have everything within half an hour's drive at your feet. For your everyday, day-to-day amenities, they are all within walking distance. And so what can I say that's better about this? All I can say is that you need to get your skates on, because properties of this price point do not stay on the market for very long. But if you do like what you see, then do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. And also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you again, and no doubt we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!